In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace product on Amazon 1-year warranty. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure you're working within the 1-year coverage that often comes with many items. First, open your browser and head to Amazon.com. Make sure you're on the correct regional site you purchased from and that you're using the same account you used for the order. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can see your full order history. A quick tip before you proceed: have a rough idea of when you bought the item. If it's been close to a year, checking the order date will help you confirm you're still within the expected warranty window. Next, look to the top right of the page and click Returns and Orders. This link sits near the cart icon and your account name. Clicking it takes you to your orders where all your past purchases are listed. Here, you can scroll through your orders or use the search bar to find the exact product you want to replace. If you have a lot of orders, you can filter by date range to jump straight to purchases from the past year. When you find the right item, glance at the order date so you can confidently proceed knowing it's within that 1-year period. Now select the order you want to address under the 1-year warranty. On the order card, look for a button that says Return or Replace Items. Clicking that opens the return and replacement flow. You'll typically see an option to choose Replace instead of Return. Select Replace, then pick a reason that best describes what went wrong. Think defective, stopped working, or arrived damaged. Clear, accurate details help the process move faster and reduce back and forth. If prompted, confirm your shipping address for the replacement and review any shipping method Amazon provides for the original item. Depending on the item and seller, you may be offered a prepaid label, a drop-off code, or a pickup option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the request, and keep an eye on your email for confirmation and tracking updates. A few helpful notes as you go: eligibility for replacement can vary by seller and product type, even with a 1-year warranty in mind. And some items may only offer technical support instead of a direct swap. It's also a good idea to keep all original accessories since replacements often expect the full set back. That's it. Go to Amazon.com, click Returns and Orders, and select the order to start the replacement under the 1-year window. If this helped, you're ready to handle future warranty issues with confidence.